So, you're looking to revert to your maiden name after a divorce. Let's walk through the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. Step 1. Verify your divorce decree. First, check the divorce decree to ensure it explicitly states that you are allowed to revert to your maiden name. If the decree doesn't include this, you'll need to contact your divorce attorney or the court to amend the document. Step 2. Obtain certified copies of your divorce decree. Visit the clerk of the court where your divorce was finalized and request certified copies of your decree. You'll need these documents to update your name with various agencies. Step 3. Update your Social Security records. Complete the application by filling out the SS5 form, which is the application for a Social Security card. This form can be downloaded from the Social Security Administration website. Next, gather your documents. You'll need a certified copy of your divorce decree, proof of identity like a driver's license or passport, and proof of citizenship if required, such as a birth certificate or passport. Finally, submit your application by visiting your local SSA office or mailing the documents as instructed on the SSA website. Your new Social Security card will arrive by mail. Step 4. Update your driver's license or state ID. Visit the DMV and bring a certified copy of your divorce decree, an updated Social Security card, or proof of the name change process with the SSA, proof of identity such as a passport or existing driver's license, and proof of residence like a utility bill or lease agreement. Be aware that DMV offices may charge a small fee for issuing a new ID. Step 5. Update your passport if applicable. First, determine the right form. If your passport is less than 1 year old, use Form DS5504, which is free to process. For older passports, use Form DS82, the renewal form, or Form DS11 if the passport is significantly outdated. Next, gather your documents, including a certified copy of your divorce decree, your current passport, a new passport photo, and payment for applicable fees. Finally, submit the application by mailing your documents or visiting a passport acceptance facility. Step 6. Update your name with financial institutions. Contact banks and creditors. Visit or call your bank to update your name on accounts, credit cards, and loans. Bring a certified copy of your divorce decree and your updated ID. Order new checks and cards. Request new debit and credit cards and checkbooks with your updated name. Step 7. Update your name with other entities. Employer. Provide HR with your updated Social Security card and ID to update payroll records. Utilities and services. Notify utility providers, insurance companies, and subscription services. Health providers. Update your name with your doctor, dentist, and any other healthcare providers. Professional licenses. If you hold a professional license, contact the licensing board to update your information. Step 8. Keep a copy of your divorce decree. Store safely. Keep at least one certified copy of your divorce decree in a secure location for future reference. Tips: start early. Name changes can take weeks depending on processing times. Be patient. Some agencies may have delays or require additional documentation. Notify contacts. Inform friends, family, and any organizations that rely on your legal name for correspondence or records. By following these steps systematically, you can efficiently revert to your maiden name after a divorce.